Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel where we make videos on mobile apps, tips, tricks, tutorials, experiments, stuff like that. So if you're interested in those things, be sure to subscribe to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get dark mode on Facebook Messenger. Okay, so here we are on Messenger. Messenger has a brand new design update. As you can see, there's only 2 items in the tab bar on the bottom of the screen right now. There used to be 3 or 4. So the new update is pretty clean. What we're gonna do is activate dark mode. I'm gonna show you how. So what you wanna do is tap your profile icon in the top left corner, and then you will see dark mode. And then you turn on the toggle and that's about it. This might actually be the shortest video I've ever made, but there you have it. How to toggle on dark mode for Messenger. That's what it looks like right there. It's very dark, like all black. Sometimes there's like a little bit of a blue tint. There's more grays, but this one is pretty dark. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if you're rocking dark mode or light mode. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, more tutorials, mobile app experiments, stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.